Hi guys, Pam here. Welcome to my channel. My channel is about the holidays and how to celebrate the holidays. On this video here, we're going to be talking about setting a Halloween atmosphere in your home. Okay, now let's jump right in. On my previous video I did was about the atmosphere of holidays, and we talked about the five senses. And we want to try and appeal to those five senses when we're setting up an atmosphere for any of the holidays, okay? So let's jump into this right now. The first one is sight. So I love all the holidays, and I'm tickled to be able to do Halloween. So I'm going to tell you guys how I do the Halloween this year. Or how I did it this year. For sight, one of the main things I love to do is change out those white light bulbs and put in a colored light, okay? Now, we know that for Halloween, the color themes for Halloween is black, purple, green, and orange, right? Black, purple, green, and orange. Well, each year, I always take the light bulbs out on my porch lights and I pop in colored lights. Now, last year I went with purple, and this year I went with green. See here, this is what they look like. You can get colored lights in any color, and you can get them everywhere. Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, it doesn't matter. And it's such an easy, simple thing to do. Just screw out that white light bulb and pop in colored lights, and you're all decorated. Now that takes care of the outside and the porches, but you can do this very same thing on the inside. In your lamps in the living room, you can put a little Halloween theme all through the house with little work and little money. Okay, guys? So that's what I did this year. I popped in my Halloween color light bulbs, and I decorated in the Halloween colors. Now, you can also get those light bulbs, see this, in red and orange also. So you've got Thanksgiving covered, and you got Christmas covered too. So guys, go shop for the light bulbs. I tell you, it's a lifesaver. It's a lifesaver. Okay. That's what I like to do on the inside and outside as far as the sight goes. It sets the mood. It brings down the color into a ooh look, right? Okay. Now, the other sight thing that I do, I incorporate a few small little things that are Halloween related in items, like, for instance, you guys all know, if you follow my channel, you know that I'm a painter and a woodworker. So I like to incorporate through my home naturally the things that I have made. So for instance, right here, over here, see this Mr. Bones over here, he's bad to the bone, right? I got his little sign that says bad to the bone on him. Well, this is a made out of wood that we made, and I painted, and it's for a candle. You stick a candle in there. So visually, to create the atmosphere in my home, see, this looks good in the day or at night. So visually, I usually bring in candles and candle holders that are Halloween related. Okay, now, the other thing that I do, since Halloween is all about the candy, I always like to bring in a Halloween candy dish, and I'll leave candy on the table for any of my visitors that come in and family members, that I can always get candy all for the whole month of October. Now, naturally, trick-or-treating, you usually get the candy on Halloween night, but I usually always keep the Halloween dish. And this is one of my Halloween dishes. See this this mummy arm holding up a pumpkin? Well, that pumpkin is a candy dish. Okay, so you see right there, We talked about light bulbs, how simple that was to change. We talked about a simple Halloween candy dish, and we talked about a simple Halloween candle. Those are 3 things right there that takes care of sight that will help with your decorating and set the mood of your home for Halloween. Now, I'm going to give you another tip. When you're out shopping, you can go to the dollar store, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, anywhere, Walmart, and you can get these. This is a tablecloth. You see this Spiderweb tablecloth? Well, guys, let me tell you what I do. Not only can you put these on the table, this is a clear one but you can put this on top of your curtains, okay? See this clear see-through? Look for the ones that are like this, and you can lay it right over your curtains, and it looks just like curtains, but it covers your curtains. Like I have light colored white curtains, and it shows up real well, but it does just as good on black. For instance, if you guys follow my videos, you'll be able to search back in my channel, and you'll see a video where I'm doing Halloween. I did a couple of videos in my dining room where I have my buffet cabinet, and I have it decorated for Halloween, and you can see all my dishes up there, and I'll do some videos about Halloween, so you can see how I made these curtains in the background of that video. So guys, search out my video if you're wanting some decorating tips, and you can see what I did. Now, also, everybody knows I'm a dish fanatic. I love my dishes, and black. Pull out the black dishes for Halloween, guys. I love my black dishes. They always come out for Halloween. Guys, if you'll notice in most of my videos, I'm always drinking coffee or hot tea, always. So again, I've got a cup. So here's to the holidays, guys. Let me take a drink, okay? It's rainy and misty and foggy and muggy outside. It's not cold, but right now it's kind of gray. So it's a wonderful day for a nice cup of something really warm in the belly. So I'm so glad you guys are here with me again. Okay, so now let's jump on back in here into the subject of setting the Halloween atmosphere in our home. We talked about the light bulbs. We talked about the Halloween candles. We talked about Halloween candy dishes. Simple things that will add so much memory to your Halloween, okay? Now, that's sight. Now, sound. Of course, Halloween sounds are always Halloween sounds. You can play softly in the background of your home when you have company over there, just real soft in the background. You don't have to do songs with words. You can do things like thunder and lightning. If you're having a Halloween dinner with you and your neighbors, you can do thunder and lightning in the background, or you can do the sound videos that have sounds like people walking through leaves, or it'll be real soft and you'll hear a coyote howl in the background. Ooh. I can't howl, but you get the general idea, right? So you can buy all kinds of CDs for Halloween sounds, chains popping and cracking, a fireside of fires popping and cracking, all these things. I love them. I love the light rain, the sound of the light rain and light thunder in the background. That's my favorite. So that takes care of sight, that takes care of sound. Now what about smell? What about smell? What are Halloween smells? Well, I don't really know what Halloween smells are, but usually I bring out the pumpkin scents and the spice scents is usually what I do for Halloween. And what about taste? Well, we covered one of the taste ideas, and that is the candy in the candy dish, right? Yep, we did. And you know, Halloween is full of spooky Halloween dishes that you can make. Halloween treats, Halloween cupcakes, Halloween, all kind of Halloween stuff. In fact, guys, you can search back in my videos. I have a video here of spooky woolly spider cupcakes that you guys, is so easy to make, and you'd love it, and it looks beautiful on your table. They have long legs, and it's easy to make, and they're woolly looking, and I do them in chocolate. So search back on my videos and see if you can't find that, so to get you some ideas. Okay? All right, guys. That has us covered. We covered everything except touch on our 5 senses. Now, I don't have a clue of what would cover touch for Halloween. So, if you've got an idea, put it down in the comments and help me out here. What would be something that would cover touch? Okay? Guys, it's wonderful to have you with me to share the holidays with. And I love the holidays, and I love creating these videos for you guys. It's our goal is to be happy, guys. Be happy. Enjoy the holidays. Enjoy life. Bring more happiness to our everydays, right? That's right. Okay, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys, enjoy your Halloween season and set the atmosphere in that home. Make everybody excited for it to roll around each and every year. Peace out. Happy holidays.